Hi, it's Elizabeth Yeager with the Elizabeth Yeager Homes and Farms Group of Keller Williams Realty Partners. I'm just jumping on here to take a couple minutes, super quick, to tell you why I think that this market shift and rising interest rates actually might mean that it's a better time to buy a house than previously. I've been experiencing more success for my buyers in the past couple of weeks than I have experienced generally in years, the past years, with the amount of offers that I have to submit and the terms of the offers that they need to do in order to get the home. And I think that a lot of buyers are dropping out of the market because they're afraid of raising their interest rate. We're seeing rates right now around 6%, and even a year and a half ago, rates were at 3.5%. So that is a scary increase, and that does change the affordability of homes for the buyers in the market. However, this means that there are less buyers looking at homes, and there are less buyers looking at homes at the top of their price range because they know that they need to adjust their payment to accommodate for the change in interest rate. As a result, the amount of offers on homes that are out there are dropping down to maybe one or two or three instead of 6, 8 offers on a property. Also, homes that are overpriced are just sitting on the market. So I've been able to get my buyers into a couple of houses that, have been sitting for a couple of weeks because buyers or the seller said, oh, well, we still want to list at the top of the market. And unfortunately, you just can't do that anymore. Things are changing. So if you are listing your home really high, you are not going to get that top dollar value. You're going to get top dollar for what it's worth if you list for the right person, but buyers are just not seeing that value, and they've lost that competitive edge because they also need to accommodate now for rising interest rates and the amount of buyer fatigue that has happened over the past couple of years, looking for homes and consistently making offers over and over again. So as a result of buyers exiting the market and homes home prices are maintaining at an all-time high, but we're not seeing the bidding wars that we were before. And that opens the door for a buyer to get seller assistance or to do inspections or to not have to offer $40,000 or $50,000 over asking or waive inspections or do appraisal gap coverage. All of those strategies that we were using before, they will still come into play for the right house. If you find a diamond, you're going to have to fight to get it. But my buyers, especially if we strategically look at homes that have been on the market or have had a contract fall through, I've been able to get some really good terms for my buyers that for once feel like benefit them instead of just catering to everything the seller needs. So there are absolutely ways to be successful in this market. And I wouldn't let the rising interest rates scare you off from making a purchase. You can always refinance in the future. And if you're willing to stick it out through the higher interest rates, you'll be in the market when all of the buyers that have dropped out aren't anymore. And there are opportunities out there for you. There are more and more popping up actually as inventory continues to rise too, that we weren't even seeing a couple of weeks ago. So I would encourage you to stick with it. We always have lender partners willing to talk to you. And me or anybody on the team is always happy to talk to you about the current market and the conditions and what would work best for you and come up with a plan for success for you and your situation. We just love helping people understand what they're doing. Buying a house is a huge deal, and we just want to be here to help you through it. So any questions about interest rates, the market, what offers are looking like, what offers are getting accepted, we're an open book. So reach out anytime, yeagerhomes.com, or call or text me anytime, 443-878-5088. I hope you're having a wonderful week, and we'll chat soon. Thanks so much for tuning in. Bye.